Local news for Thursday the 28th of March. February was a huge month for real estate sales in the region. Carterton recording 33 sales, 29 in South Wairarapa and 74 in Masterton. The average asking price in Masterton up 13.6% and Carterton up 20.7%. Sport Wellington has announced the 40th year will see in its 40th year the Wellington Sportsperson of the Year Awards will continue to recognise achievements and excellence in sport from across the Greater Wellington region. Covering the Wairarapa, Kapiti, Upper Hutt and Lower Hutt and all of Wellington, nominations for 2019 are now open. The public can experience two major multimedia exhibitions at Aratoi addressing the current water crisis in Aotearoa, New Zealand. Why? Mangamahi, Awa, Kotahi, One River, Many Streams and Waterway. 13 New Zealand artists explore the rivers and lakes of Aotearoa. The two shows will fill the entire museum. And the final event of the junior tennis season is underway in 2 weeks. The Junior Close Tournament at the Masterton Trust House Tennis Centre is being held on the 7th of April.